Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can get paid on Clickbank. So for that, open up your account on Clickbank, and if you don't have an account, just create one, and you can find a video on how to create an account on Clickbank on our channel. So after creating your account, just click on this section of affiliate marketplace. And here you will see different categories. Just select one as per your choice, or you can select as many as possible according to you or your niche. Suppose I'm selecting the art and entertainment category, so I will be provided with different links or landing pages of this category. All I have to do is just promote this link or this particular product, and I will be paid this much of the amount for all the conversions, for every conversion that I will be making for this particular product. So when you are able to promote them successfully and get the conversions, you get paid in your Clickbank account. And in order to set up your payment settings, just click on accounts, then go to your nickname and click on it. After that, just click on account settings on top and scroll down. Then you will be able to see this option of payment information. Then just click on edit on the right, and here you can select how you want to be paid for all the promotions that you have done. You can either get paid through check or direct deposit, and all you have to do is just fill all your bank details so the money can be deposited in your bank, and that's how you get paid on Clickbank. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.